Hi, this is Subhashri from CS Department SNSCT. Our mentis is going to speak about object-oriented programming concepts in detail.
Good afternoon everyone. Now we are going to explain the HOOPS concept. HOOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. There are 6 methods under the HOOPS concept. First one is class, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and inheritance. First we will explain the class. A class is a blueprint or template for creating an object. The class is define the properties and methods of an object. The properties is also known as the data members and attributes. Otherwise, the method is also known as the functions. Let's take an example. We are now assuming a car. The car is then class for now. So the methods of a car is start, stop, accelerate, etc., etc. And the attributes that is called behavior of the class is color, model, speed, etc., etc. So until we create an object, the class will not shuffle the memory of an class.
Object. An object is an instance of class. It will represent a real world entity with state and behavior. For example, if a car is a class, then red Audi car or white BMW car. Objects. Each object can have different values for the same attributes. Creating multiple objects from the same class allows you to reuse code effectively and manage complex problems easily. Objects are building blocks of object-oriented programming. Thank you.
Abstraction to define showing only an essential features of an object while hiding the background details, and only showing the necessary data to an user and hiding unnecessary data from background details. And it helps to reducing the complexity and focusing on what an object does it instead of how it does it. For example, the user can use a mobile phone and the user can interact with only with the screen. That need to know how the internal works and circuit works. And in programming, abstraction is achieved by using abstraction classes or interfaces.
Encapsulation is the concept of wrapping data, attributes and code methods together into a single unit called a class. It restricts direct access to someone of an object component, which helps in protecting the data. This is done using access modifiers like private, public and protected. For example, you might keep a variable private and allow access to it only through a public method. This is a setting like a password in your mobile. Only those who know the password method you can access.
Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class, child or derived class, to inherit properties and methods from another class, parent or base class. It promotes code reuse and builds a relationship between class. For example, if there is a class vehicle and a subclass bike, the bike class have inherit attribute like wheels and engine from vehicle, and can also have its own unique method. Inheritance supports concepts like hierarchical, single and multiple inheritance based on the language.
Polymorphism means many forms. It allows methods to behave differently based on the object that calls them. For example, let us take car types. There are different types of car: electric car, diesel car and petrol car, and there is a common function in them which is called as start. It is a method which can be called in these cars. For example, let us take an electric car which it is also used to start only, and petrol car also starts only. So there is a different methods to call. Let us take another example for polymorphism. Let us take one university where the principal is there. He is dealing all HODs and teachers. So he is doing different kind of things. He is the one method who is doing different kind of thing in different objects. Thank you.